guys, so today I have another recipe video for you, and this is my best recipe. This recipe is so easy. It doesn't take any time to make it, and also you don't even have to measure anything, and also it can't go wrong. The biggest point is it can't go wrong. It's always yummy. And what, I don't know, but I'm gonna show you the ingredients first. I want to keep it simple as possible. These two, if you want to put it in, you can, but it's optional and it doesn't make a big difference. So what you need is minced beef and onion, and this you're not allowed to make chili con carne without this. Like you're not making the chili con carne, this is making the chili con carne, okay? This is you can't make it without this. You don't know what I'm talking about. You can't make it without this. And also you need diced tomatoes, any diced tomatoes, any mixed beans, and you need tomato sauce, and you need a stock cube. Well, stock powder, or anything, like any kind of stock. But just you can't make chili con carne without this. Yeah! Okay, so now my gorgeous chili con carne, it's just boiling. It's better when it thickens a little bit, so I'm just gonna leave it like this for a while, and that's it. How easy is this recipe? And also if you want to make it a bit spicy, you can always put grounded chili, or if you want to make it fancy, you can put parsley in it, but who really cares about parsley? It's already so good. I think it won't make a big difference, but if you're feeling fancy, maybe you can put parsley in it, okay? But who really cares about parsley?